Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be going back to Vistacana to see two properties that are built and almost ready for possession. As a reminder, Vistacana is about a 15 to 17 minute ride from the Punta Cana International Airport, depending on traffic. Once there, after you go through the main security station, stay to your left, and once you get to Sabana Equestrian and Residences, you turn left to enter Paseo del Sendero. After going through that security station and you follow the road, take your first right and go to the end of that street. Make another right and proceed to the second corner and take a left. Drive all the way down, and the last street on your left before the road turns, you have arrived to Skyview Residences 1. Even though this is the view from Google Maps where it seems like nothing is done, here's a true picture of how it looks today, where you can appreciate the work that's taken place. This footage was captured a few days ago with my drone. Skyview Residences 1 is a project of townhouses and duplexes, or semi-detached homes. We will be looking at one of each. First up is the townhouse. This two-level unit measures 1,399 square feet of interior space and 1,582 square feet lot size. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. The master bedroom will have its own private bathroom and balcony, AC units in every bedroom and living room, and a jacuzzi out back. Here are some pictures I captured of this townhouse. The price for this townhouse is $220,000. You can reserve it with $3,000, then pay 30 to 50% in 30 days while it is prepped for you, and then you pay the 50 to 70% balance when delivered, prepped, cleaned, and ready to move in. Next, we have the duplex, which sits on a corner lot. This two-level unit measures 1,528 square foot of interior space and 3,100 square foot lot size. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, the master bedroom with its own private bathroom and balcony, as well as a balcony in one other bedroom, pre-installation for AC units in every bedroom and living area, and a jacuzzi out back. Let's observe the footage showing the details. The price for this corner duplex is $265,000. The same payment plan I mentioned for the townhouse applies for the duplex. These units are for those who are looking for a place now without the wait for construction to be over. You can move in shortly. You can also use this for short and long-term rentals. Keep in mind that construction is still taking place around Skyview Residences 1, but are well on their way. It's important to reiterate that by investing in this property, you can enjoy using the man-made beach already functioning in Vistacana, the infinity pool at the clubhouse. You can enjoy food and beverages from the restaurant and bar on site. You just pay for what you consume. And soon you'll be able to enjoy the second man-made beach that'll be closer to Paseo de Sendero, along with a sports zone and more. Invest without the wait. If you are interested in any of these two options or know someone who is, reach out to me right away, 809-223-8416, or email me to info@propertiesbymasters.com. Thanks for watching. If you don't want to miss out on any new real estate opportunities in Punta Cana, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Turn on notifications and choose the all option. This way you'll be the first to know when a new property comes up. Also, if you found today's information helpful, please give this video a like. It really helps more people discover it. And don't keep these opportunities to yourself. Share this video with friends, family, or anyone who could benefit from the same insights. And when you have a moment, follow me on Instagram at Properties by Masters and visit my webpage, propertiesbymasters.com. See you in the next video.